Life is tough, and too often the little things make it even tougher. Our newest segment, Life Hacks, helps make life's minor annoyances a little less annoying. With the holidays coming up, many of us will be hitting the roads and taking to the airways to travel to see family. That's why all of us here at MCC Today have put our heads together to come up with a couple of travel hacks to make traveling a little easier for you. Before packing your suitcase, place a dryer sheet inside to help keep your clothes smelling fresh and clean. Roll up your clothes to help save space in your suitcase. You can place tissue paper in between clothing before folding to help prevent wrinkles. As another space-saving tip, stuff socks and underwear in your shoes. Avoid leakage while traveling by using plastic wrap to put over seals of shampoo bottles before replacing the lid. Use a binder clip to put on a razor to protect from injuries. Store necklaces in a straw to keep from tangling during travel. Tie a small piece of brightly covered fabric to your luggage in order to easily recognize it in airport baggage turnstiles. To ward off potential thieves, use a pillbox as a safe and convenient storage spot for jewelry and other valuables. Make sure to tune in next week for Life Hacks Cooking Edition right here on MCC Today. Life Hacks, hacking your daily life one easy tip at a time.